we're fixing to put the meter on. I'm gonna paint in behind it the color of the house that we're painting the house. I'm gonna give it a little bit of time to dry, then I'm gonna put the meter on it, and that's what we're planning on getting done today anyways. We'll see if I can't get some more stuff than that done. Alright, here we go. What was this? Spectacular Indigo? Probably should have bought a regular brush.
Oh, that's pretty.
It's my painting techniques. Pole's going to be running down through here, so I figure might as well paint behind it while I can. Alright, we've got to take our meter out, or take it apart, I guess. We'll need this to cover it back up when we're done. The wire is going to go in through the house through this one. It will hook to the bottom. The top is for your electric company, the line. It's for your power coming from the pole or from the transformer. Okay, no matter what, it has to go to the top. The house from the bottom. Alright, will come out and go into there. Hot, hot, neutral, and that's your ground. If you can see in there. Yeah, that one's your ground. I'm going to run a number 4 copper wire for my ground. I haven't put my ground rods in. That'll probably be the next episode or so. Anyways, 2-aught copper, 1-aught copper, and then that's a number 4 copper. Alright, let's get this thing popped loose so we can get it done. I'm gonna pop that thing loose for a 2-inch. Let me go grab the tools, I'll be right back. Like I said, it'd be a 2-inch. I got this. I've actually got a hole saw big enough that this will slide into. Alright. You can pop these out one at a time, which is probably the best ideal to do. Just got back from town. Daughter wanted to feed us. I'll claim her today only because she fed me. So, if you're watching this, Nia, don't get the big head. Anyways, what am I kidding? My kids don't watch these videos. So, let's see here. I've cut the hole. I goofed right there, went too low, got that. Now I'm putting this on. Okay. Knock the hole out here. Put that in there. Cup side down where it'll dig into the... It's kind of looks like it's been bent, like folded in a little bit. I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, these tabs right here go on the metal. Helps dig in, keeps it from backing out. Just stick it on there. This is my neutral. These are my two hots. My two hots are 2-aught. That's for copper, 2-aught copper. That's a 200 amp wire. 1-aught is a little smaller. That's for my neutral. That's all it needs is 1-aught. Now, as far as my ground, I've cut them before and spliced them in here, like coming from the ground, coming up to the screw, and then coming from the screw into the house. So my ground and neutral will be bonded at your first point of disconnect. Everywhere else, your ground and neutral has to be separated. Anyways, how this is set up, it's not big enough to put two number 4s in there, so I'm just going to run one continuous one. When I run my ground rods in the ground, I'll get me a number 4 copper wire, run it from there all the way up into here, and then go into the house with it at the same time. Neutral goes in the middle. They came out just a little shorter. That's about how I do it. It's plenty for that nut to set on and squish in there. Put it in there. Just a little. Spin that nut out. I think I'm going to try to leave a little extra on there. Just in case I ever have to make a change. Just cutting it with the Sawzall. It's got to be. Okay, that's a hot, hot, neutral, and again, that's the ground. This will go over it. I guess you put that on there after you put it in. I've never used these before. This is the first box I've ever seen that has them. Shove it up in there. Tighten it down. Hey, I appreciate y'all watching. If you would, like, subscribe, hit the share button, and y'all stay healthy, and God bless.